The Calcutta High Court has issued a stern directive to the Kolkata Police Commissioner, ordering disciplinary action against 3 senior police officers for their mishandling of an investigation into the alleged sexual assault of the wife of an IAS officer. This case has attracted significant public attention as it involves serious allegations against the police for mishandling the probe and the negligence in the initial stages of the investigation. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Before we go further, here's an appeal. We are looking to cover the upcoming Maharashtra Assembly Elections 2024. But for that, we need your support. Scan on the QR code on your screen or click on the link in the description below. Your contribution will help us to bring you ground reports and exclusive interviews.
2019, the year that changed Maharashtra politics forever.
मी देवेंद्र गंगाधरराव फडणवीस ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की
मी अजित अनंतराव पवार गांभीर्यपूर्वक दृढकथन करतो की
मी उद्धव बाळासाहेब ठाकरे ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की
श्री एकनाथ शिंदे साहेब यांना भारतीय जनता पार्टी समर्थन देईल आणि श्री एकनाथ शिंदे हे मुख्यमंत्री होतील.
मी एकनाथ संभाजी शिंदे ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की
मी अजित अनंतराव पवार गांभीर्यपूर्वक दृढकथन करतो की.
Now, as Maharashtra gets set for the 2024 Assembly elections,
we believe that we have the infrastructure, we have the know-how, we have the experience of covering Maharashtra. We want to cover the Maharashtra elections.
what are the issues on the minds of the voter? Can sitting Chief Minister Eknath Shinde defend his turf with the BJP and Ajit Pawar by his side? Or will the legacies of Thakres and Pawar prevail? What role will Manoj Jarange Patil, the face leading the Maratha agitation, play?
Now for us to cover the Maharashtra elections, we need some funds, we need some money. We need around 5 to 6 lakh of rupees. I would urge our patrons, I would urge our viewers who appreciate our work, viewers who think we are worth that, I would urge you to contribute. I would urge you to contribute to this venture. Give us that 6 lakhs so that our journalists can go to nook and corner of Maharashtra, find out exactly what the problem of Maharashtra is.
Log on to our website hwnews.in, click on the subscribe us button, select an amount you wish to contribute and support independent journalism.
The court led by Justice Rajarshi Bharadwaj pointed out several lapses in the probe, stating that the victim, who is the wife of an IAS officer posted outside West Bengal, was subjected to both coercion and intimidation. The alleged assault took place on the nights of July 14 and 15, 2024 at the victim's residence in South Kolkata. This area comes within the jurisdiction of Lake Police Station. The victim reported the crime on July 15, filing an official complaint. But her ordeal was far from over, as she faced additional harassment from the family members of the accused and from the police officers handling the case. The High Court's order dated September 27, 2024 was particularly critical of the manner in which the investigation unfolded. Justice Bharadwaj noted that the officers involved did not follow the standard procedures meant to protect the victims of sexual crimes. One of the most glaring failures highlighting was the police's decision not to seize the CCTV footage from the Lake Police Station, footage that could have shown the family members of the accused coercing the victim to retract her complaint. Additionally, the victim alleged that the police officers, in violation of the law, assigned a male officer to the case and diluted the severity of the charges initially filed, which allowed the accused to secure anticipatory bail from a lower court. The petitioner is clearly a victim of continuous torture and oppression, Justice Bharadwaj stated, noting that the investigation officer failed to keep the victim informed about the accused's bail application, exacerbating her distress. The court ordered anticipatory bail to be cancelled, ensuring that the accused remains in custody during the ongoing investigation. Justice Bharadwaj directed the Kolkata Police Commissioner to initiate departmental proceedings against 3 police officers, naming Sujata Barman, officer in charge of Lake Police Station, Kalpana Roy, Sub-Inspector of Tijla Police Station, and Arpita Bhattacharya, SI of Karida Police Station. These officers were found to have failed to the following of proper procedural norms during the preliminary investigation. The court emphasized that their actions undermined the legal process, designed to safeguard the victims of sexual violence. The High Court also ordered that the investigation to be transferred to the Deputy Commissioner of the Women's Police at Lal Bazar, stating that a fresh investigation was necessary to ensure justice for the victim. The Divisional Deputy Commissioner has been also tasked to the monitoring of the case closely to ensure that there are no further lapses. The court has also asked all the case documents and investigation diary to be handed over to the new investigating officer within 3 days. The court's decision comes at a time when the handling of sensitive cases by the Kolkata Police is also under scrutiny. The victim's husband, an IAS officer currently posted in Mumbai, has welcomed the court's intervention, expressing hope that the justice will now be served. He highlighted how the initial handling of the case added to the trauma his wife endured. According to the victim, the accused, a 53-year-old senior employee of an IT company, and a family friend entered her home in a drunken state on July 15 and assaulted her. The victims claimed that the accused entered her home at around 11:30 p.m. and raped her at a gunpoint. She reported the crime to the Lake police station, but her complaint was not immediately processed. The victim claimed that she was made to wait for hours before her statement was taken, and even then the police filed less severe charges against the accused, despite the serious nature of the crime. The victim also alleged that the police failed to conduct a timely medical examination, an essential part of investigation in sexual assault cases. Instead, she had to undergo a medical checkup on her own at a state-run hospital. The court took the note of these procedural lapses, stating that the initial investigation was marred by the negligence and mismanagement. The FIR lodged by the police used weaker section of the law, undermining the gravity of the victim's allegations. Justice Bharadwaj expressed concern that the charge sheet had been tampered with, and the critical evidence such as aforementioned CCTV footage had not been collected. Furthermore, the court observed that the police officers involved attempted to protect the accused rather than ensuring fair investigation for the victim. Justice Bharadwaj's order has sparked a significant debate over the role of police in handling sensitive cases, especially those involving sexual violence. The Bengal government is reportedly considering challenging the High Court's order before a division bench, a move that could further complicate the situation. The BJP hit out at TMC, saying the law and order in Bengal is alarming. BJP spokesperson and RS MP Sudhanshu Trivedi said a sitting IAS officer's wife was raped. There was an attempt to suppress the case by the police. The attitude of Bengal police has raised serious questions. This case has drawn parallels to another recent incident that has caused widespread outrage: the rape and murder of a doctor at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. The West Bengal government has faced criticism from the opposition parties, particularly the BJP, over the handling of the case. Political leaders have accused the Trinamool Congress-led Mamata Banerjee's government for failing to ensure safety and justice for the victims of sexual violence. The Calcutta High Court's intervention in this case is seen as a strong message to the law enforcement agencies regarding the need of transparency, accountability, and adherence to law. As this investigation continues, all the eyes will be on Kolkata Police and the state government to see how they address the court's concerns. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.